Hola, I am Melissa with LABOTANICA Plant Magic. We bring to you Costa Rican-inspired botanical beauty formulas designed to nourish the skin and balance the mind. We're here to embrace and fall in love with the skin we live in and honor the cycles of aging beautifully while celebrating our body temple. I want to invite you to join this plant magic journey and unveil your unfiltered beauty. Today we're going to talk about one of our superhero products, ALCHEMIC Face and Neck Elixir. A brightening face elixir, and it's a 4-in-1. This liquid gold is nourishing, calming, brightening, and plumping. It's an oil, so yes, oil is your friend. We use this oil on our face and our neck. What is our beauty ritual? I like to apply 1 to 2 pumps of ALCHEMIC and rub it in between my palms, bring it close to my face to connect my senses and take in the beautiful aroma of neroli to cleanse my facial aura. Followed by pressing and massaging ALCHEMIC Face Elixir onto cleansed, damp skin. Energetically, it purifies your facial aura using high vibration neroli to ease tension and stress held on your face. Let's talk about our plant magic superhero ingredients. Well, passion fruit, la fruta de la pasión. It's known to be plumping and full of fatty acids with the oil to keep the skin feeling moisturized while not leaving over oily. Oil lovers, this is for you. Known to contain hyaluronic acid for enhanced moisture, containing lycopene and vitamin C for brightness and to reduce the appearance of acne, and it inhibits the production of melanin, which makes it a great alternative for those treating hyperpigmentation, pregnancy masks, sunspots. I am one of those. Sea buckthorn, this beautiful orange seed, is a multitasker and goes above and beyond the hydrating call of duty, doing all kinds of magic things for our complexion. Known to soften the skin, boosted with antioxidants, protecting anti-inflammatory effects of acne-prone skin, and has been known to contain antibacterial properties, promote elasticity, boost collagen, and seal in hydration. Can I say más? Sea buckthorn, this orange seed is fruit, it's amazing. Well, let's talk about the magical potions of neroli. It's known to reduce scars, inflammation, and irritation. And did you know neroli could be used in magical aromatherapy for spells and rituals of self-purification, courage, love, and luck. Marula, it's known to promote elasticity, boost collagen, and seal in hydration, keeping the skin hydrated and well nourished all day, every day. Here are some insider tips. Always use SPF because ALCHEMIC has really high contents of plant-based vitamin C. Use it with your washa for an amazing elixir to really get your washa tool flowing onto your skin and pushing in all this plant magic. Also, apply it on damp skin. I'm not saying wet, damp after you cleanse your skin, because your skin is the most absorbing at that time. So you're going to really absorb all the benefits of this elixir. For you oil lovers, not all oil is going to congest your skin. ALCHEMIC is anti-inflammatory, so it is going to assist you with congestion on your skin. Not be afraid of oils. There's great oils, and the maceration of our herbs and plants with the oils in this blend are going to allow your skin to actually calm down and soothe. Remember, it is a journey. Trust the journey and allow your skin to have 4 weeks to embrace this new product and for it to do its magic. Thank you for joining us. Embrace your unfiltered beauty and enjoy the benefits of this beautiful plant magic skin superhero. Pura Vida! Hola, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're in this plant magic journey to reveal our unfiltered beauty and trust the journey. Can't wait to see you again. Message us if you have any questions. Pura Vida!